Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Time is 6:14. Let's check your weather on the 4s with meteorologist Thomas Gieboy. You know, there's a lot, of course, we're thinking about with 9/11 here tomorrow, Thomas. How's the weather looking like for people who may be out and enjoying some of those or making those efforts to remember?
Yeah, Brian, starting later today, lasting more or less through tomorrow, isolated showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility across the Beehive State. So quite a big change of pace compared to what we've gotten used to this week with smoky skies and very hot temperatures. It's still going to be hot today, so make no mistake, it's still going to be a hot day across Utah. But as we make our way through today into tomorrow, we'll see an easing of that heat. We'll also see some thinning of the smoke. The air quality today still not that great, but looks like it'll get at least a little bit better by tomorrow. There will be the chance for some wet weather, and maybe by the end of the weekend, we'll settle into a stretch of seasonal weather. We'll get into those details in just one moment. In the meantime, here's the current view from Southern Utah University at the Quad. You actually have some clouds off there in the distance. It's a pretty start to the morning, and that's after we saw a few showers and thunderstorms around St. George yesterday. And as we're starting off this morning, there's actually a shower that's near Zion National Park, a couple of showers in the northern half of the state. As you make your way up towards the Great Salt Lake, some of that rain might not actually be reaching the ground, but keep in mind, if you're at Zion National Park early this morning, got one thunderstorm that continues to work its way to the north, mainly over the high terrain that's working its way towards Cedar City, so we'll keep an eye on that for you. Here's a look at the bigger picture. The high pressure that's been keeping us hot and hazy continues to move down to the southeast. There's a system that's moving in from the west, and we have moisture coming in from the southwest. Again, that's helping with our smoke, and as we get this system moving in, that's also going to help cool our temperatures a little bit in the central and in the northern half of the state. Meanwhile, St. George, you're still going to be around 100 degrees, but as this system approaches us, it will increase the chance for isolated showers and a few thunderstorms. We'll walk you through it here on the Futurecast as we go through today and kind of go hour by hour through today. As we go through the morning, really not too much happening, but as we get towards midday, clouds will start to bubble up, and then we'll see isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. If you're east of I-15, if we're going to see those isolated showers and storms, the better chance will be definitely in the higher terrain, but you'll see that even to the west of I-15, isolated showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility. In the central and in the northern half of the state, the best chance of rain will actually come after sundown this evening as that system really begins to work into our area. So the best chance of rain for the Wasatch Front looks like it's going to be late this afternoon into tonight. As we go into the overnight, showers and thunderstorms will fade, still keeping at least an isolated chance north of I-70, and then into tomorrow. There's still going to be enough moisture left over where we could see additional isolated showers and thunderstorms. Something to keep in mind maybe if you're going to the U of U and BYU game into tomorrow. But as we go into your Sunday, that's when it looks like our skies will begin to dry back out as we settle into near seasonal temperatures. It won't be seasonal today, though, with Salt Lake City getting to a high of 94 degrees, 93 degrees in Provo, 101 in St. George, and even 88 degrees in Cedar City. But the temperature at least will be a little bit cooler than what we saw yesterday. With your national parks forecast, isolated showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility, but for the most part, it will be partly cloudy to mostly sunny most of the time. In St. George, a slight rain chance for today and for tomorrow. Temperatures hovering near 100 degrees along the Wasatch Front. Isolated thunderstorms possible today and tomorrow, with the best chance in Salt Lake City being late tonight into tomorrow morning. Then we're drying out by the end of the weekend as temperatures will hover near seasonal averages. On